Hi everybody. In this video I will discuss class and object in Python programming. We know that Python is object-oriented programming also. It supports structure-oriented programming as well as an object-oriented programming. First of all, we have to know the class and object. Class is the logical structure or blueprint to create the object. Object is the variable of the class. Once a class has been created, we can create many numbers of objects. The object is the instance of the class. So in Python, we need class keyword and we can create object after the creation of the class. Class belong to some data member. In the class there are some in the class there are some data members and some function member. So let us consider the concept of class and object in Python. First of all, we have to write class. Class is a keyword. Class, suppose the name of the class is addition, and there is a colon after the name of the class. Now class addition, then definition, we have to define a function, that is def. Suppose function name is input, and default parameter is, we have to write this parameter, and we have to write the parameter self. Self is referencing the object. Self is used to reference the object. So def input self. Now self dot a is a data. Self dot a, self referencing the a data member. Self dot a equal to integer input enter first number, enter first number. Then self dot b equal to integer input enter second number, enter second number. So these are the two variables that are stored to integer a and b. Now next function is def out any name. So yeah, you can create any name here. Output is the next function. Now c is a local variable. C equal to self dot a plus self dot b. Now print the result of c. Print result of addition is comma c. Now the class consists of two function member. One is input, another is output. Now once class is created, now we can create the objects. Write the object. Suppose object name is a1. A1 equal to addition, and there is a function symbol. No need to write anything within the function because there is no constructor within the function. So this is the object. So A1 is the object of the class addition. Once a class is created, you can create the objects. So class is the logical structure and object is the instance of the class. Now we can call the input function a1 dot input. Then we activate a1 dot output. So when we call a1 dot input, then the input function will be activated, and the data member within the input function a will store first number and b will store second number. Then when we call a1, then it will activate the output function a1 dot output function. When you call a1 dot output function, it will activate output function and it will print the result of a plus b, and we will get the result c. So a1 is the object. There is a data member, b integer variable, and two method. One is input, another is output. So this is the class structure, and this one is the object. So object is the variable of the class. Now when we call the member, then we have to access the object a1. Then with the help of dot operator, we can access the input. Input function will access the data member. Suppose 10 and 20 will store 20, and then when we call again output, then it will display 30. So this is the concept of class and object. in Python programming. When we create another object, suppose we want to create another object, suppose A2, then again there is a memory allocation, that is A2, and within the A2 there is A and B, and there is input and output. When you call A2 dot input, then function within A2 will be active, function within input will be activated, and it will store some value, suppose 20, 50. Then when you call A2 dot output, then it will display 20 plus 50 equal to 70. So we can create many numbers of object, whatever object we want, we can create it. The class is created once, and we can create object many times. Class is the structure, and object is the variable. So we can create any numbers of variable, any number of objects, and we can access the features of the objects. So this is the concept of class and object in Python programming. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.